I'm so worried about what's happening today in the Middle East, you know. And I'm worried about healthcare systems and homeless Skid Row. And I'm so worried about the fashions today. I don't think anyone should wear meat. And I'm so worried about people who sometimes want to repeat. I'm so worried about what's happening today, you know. And I'm worried about living on death row. I'm so worried about my hair falling out and the state of the world today. And I'm so worried about being so full of doubt about everything every day. I'm so worried. Artificial intelligence might be so worried. Oh, so worried about all the things they inject in me for me to pee. Everything that can go wrong. I'm so worried about how many people like this song. I'm so worried about this very next verse. It isn't the best that I've got. And I'm so worried about whether I should go on. I'm worried I should just stop. I'm worried about whether I ought to have stopped. And I'm worried, so worried, because it's the sort of thing I ought to know. And I'm worried that I might be too slow. Oligarchs say we need more wars. Oops, I am worried. I should not have said that. Oh, I'm afraid of the dark ages Our lives are just candles in the wind.